Hi guys, I'm Dhanashri and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know I've been lost last week. I'm so sorry. I would apologize for not uploading a video. I had a plan, I shot the video, but while editing I was like, no, this is not the good content. This is not what I want to put up on YouTube, and I wasn't happy, so I did not post any videos. So this week there will be 2 videos coming up. I hope you enjoy them. And so yeah, talking about this one, I'm gonna talk about my nails. Aren't they gorgeous? Yes, they are. If you want to know more about it and if you love nails, you're gonna love this video, so keep on watching. Let's go. A quick info about like what Nail Station is exactly. The Nail Station is an Instagram store and they have a website as well. These are handmade. उन्होंने खुद हमारा जो measurement हमने उसको दिया है उसी measurement से वो nail बनाते हैं and then they ship it to you, and I am so happy with the results. Like, this is not a collab video. This is not something they are paying me for or they've sent me nails for barter. No, I just genuinely loved this brand and I am just making this video from my heart. So much of love to the Nail Station. I really loved your product. I just want to show you how do I apply them, what I use and all. So I'll insert a demo clip. So first of all, I'll buff my nails, all of them, and then apply the glue on my pinky. Take the nail and just press it really firmly and hold it for a few seconds, and I'm gonna repeat the same process on all of my nails. Make sure you press it really well, at least for around 15 to 20 seconds. Also, I'm applying the nail only on the nail bed. If you wish to apply it on the nail as well, you can do that. It will make it more firm. So that's completely a personal choice, and this is how it looks. अगर आप रिमूव करना चाहते हैं, ऑल यू हैव टू डू इज टेक अ वार्म वाटर का बोल. बड़ा बाउल हो जिसमें आपका हाथ डूब जाए, वैसे बाउल में गर्म पानी लेना है. जस्ट हैव टू पुट इट इन द वाटर. वार्म वाटर में पहले 5-10 मिनट रहने दो, 5 मिनट रहने दो, एंड जस्ट पुल इट धीरे से. डू नॉट ट्राई टू जस्ट टेक इट ऑफ, पुल इट ऑफ. नो, बहुत आराम से करना, अदरवाइज देर आर चांसेस कि आपका नेल बेड डैमेज हो जाएगा. मेक श्योर यू मॉइस्चराइज आफ्टर यू गेट द नेल्स ऑफ. I know up tak you will be having a lot of questions. I have all the questions written here, so I'm gonna answer all of these questions. I got it from Instagram. What are these nails made of? So these are acrylic made nails और इस पे gel polish का coat है. So the top coat is of the gel polish. Rest ये acrylic से बनाए गए हैं. ये आपको आपका nail size कैसे measure करना है. I'll put a video here कि how you will have to measure your nails. आप Instagram पेज पर जा सकते हो, चेक, वहाँ पे उन्होंने IGTV डाला है how the nails are to be measured. तो आप वेबसाइट पर जाओ, आपको जो भी नेल पसंद है पिक इट अप. आप उस पर क्लिक करो, वहाँ पे नेल्स का साइजिंग का है. साइज योर नेल्स. इफ यू आर नॉट श्योर, दे हैव अ set of nails that they sent you. It's for $100. So आपका साइजिंग में कोई मिस्टेक ना हो. Get those nails first. That is for just $100 if I'm not wrong. Yeah, those are for $100. Buy those nails. उसको आप साइजिंग करके देखो and then आप साइज सिलेक्ट कर सकते हो. Second, once you measure your nails, you can also tell them how long you want them to be. Which glue do you use? For glue, मैंने for the nail station वाले के लिए मैंने इनके साथ जो आया हुआ glue है वही यूज किया है. But if you are asking me कि what glue I use generally, I use the Miss Claire glue. That comes for 250 rupees or around 300. Can we use our nail polish? No, you cannot use your own nail polish on these nails. These are not paintable nails, क्योंकि इस पे ऑलरेडी जेल पॉलिश से काम किया हुआ है और इस पे काफ़ी कोट्स लगे हैं जेल पॉलिश के, तो आप इस पे पेंट ना करें. दैट इज़ व्हाट इज़ एडवाइसेबल. डू नॉट यूज एनी सॉर्ट ऑफ पॉलिश ऑन इट. So can you customize it? So you're free to choose what kind of shape you want, what size you want, how long you want them to be, what color you want them to be, what design you want them to be. Everything is your choice. So ये nails कितने दिन रहते हैं? How long does it stay? Does it fall off within a day or two? No, it won't fall off within a day or two. अगर आप ऐसे glue tabs use कर रहे हैं, this is nothing, just a glue tab. You just have to apply on your nail, peel off the ऊपर वाला part and then stick the nail. तो अगर आप glue tabs use कर रहे हैं तो it will stay for like one day भी पूरा नहीं रहेगा, because ग्लू टैब्स आर नॉट परमानेंट. अगर आप कोई हार्ड चीज़ें कर रहे हो, मतलब लाइक ये वॉशिंग क्लोथ्स या कुछ कर रहे हो, या आप कुछ भी चीज़ ऐसी कर रहे हो जिससे नेल ऐसे पूरा ऐसा पील होगा, तो वो निकल जाएगा. सो द नेल्स विल कम आउट इफ यू आर यूजिंग ग्लू टैब. Second, this also depends on what kind of work you do. Okay, for me, I go to office, come back home and I work वहाँ पर ही. That's it. I don't do anything except for that. In that case, the nail stays for around 15 to 20 to 25 days. Like, depends on what activities you have done using, like with the nails on. Talking about if you are a housewife or if you do all the घर का काम, then it will stay for like 2 to 3 days max. कभी कभी अगर आपके नसीब में तो 5 days भी टिक जाता है. Depending on what kind of work you do is how you can decide whether how long these nails are gonna stay. What will be the price? The price of the nails vary from one another, but the starting price is 350 rupees, wherein you get 10 nails, a nail glue and a buffer. और उनके यहाँ ये है कि अगर आप 2 pairs of nails order कर रहे हो, which makes to like around 700 rupees, तो you will not be charged for shipping. What is advisable? Cutting the nail or filing them short. So it is advisable to file the nails gently and not cut them. अगर आपको चंक काटना है, मतलब I did cut Ittusa nail and then I started filing. So if ऐसा है, then you can cut the nail and then file. But if you just want to trim it a little bit, do not cut the nail. Try filing it. Filing is way better than cutting the nail. These were the questions that I got and I tried answering them. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you like this video, show some love to the nail station, to Harpreet. She is a gem. Do check it out and show them love, show me love. Follow me on Instagram if you haven't already. वहाँ मैं आपको बता दूंगी कि मेरे nails कितने दिन long टिके हैं ये वाले. And yeah, that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, give it a big fat thumbs up, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.